Yo guys, I got my new keyboard and mouse few days ago and I will review it now. I'm starting with the mouse first. So this is the Havit ms1038 wired mouse. It can go from 1200 dpi to 8000 dpi, which is useful for gaming. And yes, it has RGB. It has not only one, not only two, not only three, not only four, but 5 RGB modes. But if you are more focused on whatever you're doing and don't want to see the RGB while doing that, you can also turn it off. However, like most $2 or $3 mice, it's rated for 3 million clicks. So if you want a mouse which is rated for more clicks, you got to increase your budget. But still, for a mouse which is around 1K BDT, it looks premium and features not only one but 5 RGB modes with max 8000 dpi. So good job, Havit. Now I will review the keyboard. So this is the imice gk-100 wired mechanical keyboard. It uses a USB-C to USB-A cable to connect to your PC. It's a RGB keyboard with 77 keys, which is good for daily use and gaming. There's even a physical button for increasing, decreasing and muting volume, which is useful in some cases. You can choose how bright you want the RGB to be by adjusting the brightness with Fn and arrow keys. And you can also choose which direction you want the RGB waves to loop, like left or right. Now the real part. How does the keyboard sound? You can check out my old keyboard sound in my PC setup playlist for reference. So yeah, for under $20 the keyboard looks colorful and sounds satisfying, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 3000 subscribers.